How to log into YouTube on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1, open the YouTube app. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to access the main menu. Go to Apps and select the YouTube app. If it's not installed, go to Apps, search, type YouTube and install it. Step number 2, select Sign In. Open the YouTube app and look for the Sign In option on the left menu. Select it to start the login process. Step number 3, retrieve the activation code. An activation code will appear on the screen. Note this code as you will need it for the next step. Step number 4, visit the YouTube activation website. On your mobile device or computer, open a browser and go to youtube.com/activate. Step number 5, enter the activation code. Log into your YouTube Google account on the website if prompted. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV and confirm. Step number 6, confirmation. Once the code is verified, your Samsung TV will automatically log into your YouTube account, giving you access to your subscriptions and personalized recommendations.